welcome to my channel. My name is Sasa. I make cosplay, sewing, and cooking related videos. Welcome to my Breakfast with Me series. This is episode 2. As always, I start with tea. Today I'm drinking Kenren cha. I found it in Ginza, Tokyo, near the Kabuki Theater. It's a blend of beans and other plants and is caffeine free. I really like boiled eggs, so it's sharing the pot with the potatoes. If I'm not cooking something else and I only boil water for the egg, I feel like it's kind of a waste, so here I'm sharing the pot. I've been adding more vegetables to my breakfast. This is fresh watercress. I love dill, it's so fragrant. I use a knife to check if the potatoes are cooked. I really hate uncooked or almost cooked potatoes, so I prefer them more on the mushy side. So I add some butter for some nice creaminess, and then salt and pepper. This is a really easy way to have very tasty potatoes. Lastly, I add the fresh dill. I've tried this with dried dill before, but the taste is not the same. I don't recommend it. You can eat watercress raw, uncooked, but I like cooked hot food. I put it in hot water and I take it out in less than 5 seconds. And we're done. And thank you for watching, and I hope you look forward to my next breakfast video. If my videos and tutorials helped you create something, please tag me. I would love to see your work. Please check out my channel for playlists on cooking, sewing, cosplay, and other tutorials. You can support me by buying me an online coffee, which is a donation of increments by $3, or you can buy anything from my Etsy shop. It's all handmade by me. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. I hope you have fun with your projects. Bye bye!